How to use Binance smartphone app easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Binance smartphone app. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will actually open up your Google Play Store or your Apple Store on your mobile phone. This can be downloaded on iOS or Android both. So you have to search for Binance, and this is the official app of Binance. You can see Binance, BTC, crypto, and NFTs. This is the app right here that you have to download. You can check the logo, click on install, and the app will be downloaded. Once the app is downloaded, then you have to click on it to open it up, and you will get right here. You have to log into your Binance app with the details that you have. If you already have an account on Binance, then you can just log in to your account by just clicking on login, and then you will enter your details. You will enter your email, phone number, or continue with Google. Or you can sign up as well completely for the first time with the app. You can see now this is our account, and it will allow me to actually check out Binance Lite. We have different settings, languages, help and support here. You can also switch the mode. Then the first thing that we get is this marketplace on Binance. So this is the same marketplace that we have on our Binance platform on our desktop. I will be able to check all of the coins. You can see we have hot, market cap, price, 24-hour change, 24-hour low, and you can just scroll down in order to check all of the coins. To select a coin, you have to just click on it. I'm going to click on Bitcoin, and it will open up all of the details for me, and I will be able to check a graph for the pricing of Bitcoin. So you can see we have, this is the live price at the time of making this video. Scroll down to check the news and about of this. If you long press, you will be able to select a certain point where you want to mark and where you want to check the APY and where you want to check the price. Similarly, we have 1 day view, 1 week view, 1 million, and others. If you want to convert, you will find the option right here. Click on convert, and it will take you to the convert option where I can convert my Bitcoin to other coins right here. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling crypto involves high degree of risk, or whether you're afraid to lose money or not. This is a Binance tutorial for you guys, so I'm not suggesting to buy any of the coin or invest in any of the coins. That being said, let's continue. You can see we have our Bitcoin here. So I can just enter the amount that I have, and I am converting from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Or you can select any other, coin from here. Let's say you have a Matic, you have like any other token that you want to go for. I have selected Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum. So here again, you can select if you want to convert to Ethereum or any other. We have BNB, BUSD. Let's actually convert our Bitcoin to BNB. All right, so I have one BTC in my account and I want to convert to BNB. Okay, so let's go with Ethereum. I have one BTC or 100. You just enter the amount here and it will show you what it is in the other currency. Of course, the pricing is going to be at the time of making this video. Then we have limit. Right here, we have our chart. This is the chart for the comparison. So one Ethereum right now is 0.06 BTC. And you will be able to check the graph here. Again, we have from, price, expires in, to convert our tokens and to convert our coins. I'm gonna get back. So here we have it. Then we have some of the options given here. We have the main options that we get on our dashboard on our, Binance. We have all of the options here. Beginner's guide. Then we have earn, Binance learn, how to deposit, and again these. So if you want to switch to the Binance earn, then you can go there. At the bottom of your screen, you will be able to see this is where I am. It is the market. Click on the main button, click on buy, select the coin you want to buy. It will show you all of the coins and their prices right now. And you can see one Ethereum is 13,000, BNB $269, BUSD $0.9. So I want to buy BUSD. So I'm going to select BUSD. Then you have to select the currency. I'm going to select USD. There it is. I have 1,000 USD that I want to invest. So, okay, so one BUSD is actually $1 or 0.9999. So it's going to be 1,000 USD. I am getting 1,000 BUSD. But let's say it's another coin, like an expensive one, maybe Ethereum. So for Ethereum, I'm going for $2,000, and it will give me around about, because one Ethereum is 1300, so it will give me 1.6 Ethereum for this. So this is how we buy. Just click on the buy option at the bottom, which is going to be a yellow option. Click on it and you will be able to buy crypto. So buying crypto with the app is really easy, and we can access it anytime we want to with our smartphone, and our crypto will be, very easy to access anytime. Then we have market cap here, prices, 24-hour change that you can check. This is the next option right here, is the wallet. Once you sign in, you will be able to get your wallet right here. With this smartphone app, you can also, kind of like check the graphs really easily. For example, this is a graph. Let me actually show you how to read it. You can switch to 1 day view, 1 week, or 1 month, and then we have a graph. Let's go to the 1 day here. And then I want to check the price here. So I'm going to select long press, select this position. It will show me the time, and it will show me what was happening in that moment. What was the percentage and what was the price? Then it kind of like went low. But this was the highest of this. It's 0.2. Okay, perfect. And then I think the lowest is right here at this point, where it was percentage was -8. And here it's plus 6 or 7. Okay, so this is how you will be reading your graphs with Binance smartphone app. The app is really easy to access. You just need to log into your account and you will be able to do so. If you want to check the earn option on Binance, so I'm just going to switch and click on earn, and it will take me to Binance Earn, where we have BNB Vault available. Then we have different leverages and different tokens and different stakes available. So we have coins that I can subscribe to. So subscribing is really easy. You will get this yellow button. It's a huge button right here, and you will be able to just click on it and subscribe. The APR is also given, the percentages you can see. Scroll down to check all of the different flexibles to subscribe to. If you want to check out in detail, click on it and it will open it up to show you the details. If you want to check your holdings, at the bottom of the screen you can see we have earn products, and then we have my holdings. Click on my holdings and it will open up your wallet for you, where you will be able to actually see your holdings that you have. So let's go up and you can see BNB Vault. This is the Binance Earn option. Of course, with the app, you have the basic access of the Binance platform, and you will be able to buy crypto and also check out the live prices in seconds. It's updated every, nanosecond, and you will be able to track your coin and stay updated with the Binance smartphone app. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.